Subscribe to our channel for more information on our software. In this tech tip, we will be working with templates in Antero 7. Scheduled work orders are set up in Antero through Work Templates. Navigating to the application ribbon and selecting Work Templates display all your existing scheduled work templates. Search the grid for an existing template by equipment or task name. In Antero 7, all work templates are defined by the name of equipment and the task assigned to the equipment. The detail panel on the right will display all the information that is associated with the selected equipment task work template. The vertical navigation ribbon allows users to select the schedule defined for work, parts attached to the scheduled work, any tools and equipment required for the work, labor assigned to the scheduled task, and related suppliers necessary for the work to be completed. All the items defined in these sections will be added to the scheduled work orders when they are created. Create a scheduled work template by clicking on the plus icon. Add Similar will allow users to copy existing template information to a new template for faster creation of similar scheduled work. When adding a work template, a piece of equipment and task must be selected. New tasks can be created as you build your template. A task list is also available in the Work Setup section of the application ribbon. Template details display all the scheduled options that can be defined and are currently selected for an existing template. Detail information for work type, priority, days to complete until the work is flagged as delinquent, groups, and work orders last completed or current open work orders can be viewed at the top. Scheduled work is defined by selecting a days in service, calendar, or out of service schedule. Each option will require a starting schedule date. Days in Service instrument allows users to create work based on a number of interval days. Users can also select an instrument to schedule work by. Both schedule types can work in conjunction. The first event that occurs will trigger the work. Note, for instrument scheduling, you must select an existing instrument and define a usage range for meters and a min and maximum range for gauges. Calendar scheduling allows for the selection of specific calendar dates to generate work orders. The equipment task defined will generate work based on the selected dates. Scheduling options include months and the ability to define days of the week or a specific day. Out of service work orders can be created for work that is flagged as out of service for a defined number of out of service days. To activate a scheduled work template, be sure to check the schedule box. A next forecast date will appear for the scheduled work. If you would like to disable a scheduled work template, simply uncheck the schedule box. Note, in the grid you can filter and display templates that are enabled or disabled. To add additional items to a scheduled work order, users will need to navigate the detail panel. Attach any documents for a scheduled work order. In Parts, click on the plus icon to add parts with estimated quantities necessary for the work. Add equipment necessary to complete the work order. Add labor to track the labor hours and cost for the work order. Add related supplier information to be attached to the scheduled work. All work templates set up in Antero 7 will auto-generate work orders in work management based on the schedule defined. Visit our website for more information on our software or reach out to us directly.